This is back again, and in this video, am once again going to do the screwdriver and arm. So, anyway, yeah, I'm still picking glue off from one of my last videos, which was a couple hours ago. Anyway, but first I'm going to show you how to clean a screwdriver. If you've used it repeatedly, you're going to have glue left on it. See? And if there's glue left on it and you use it, it's not going to work quite as well as it did before, because the glue is stopping the other glue from working. So, I discovered something that would help clean it off. You might think this is a thing they use to put in your arm during a blood drawn. It is that sort of thing. It's a lens. Say, eyeglass lens cleaner used to clean your glasses, and yes, it has alcohol. Rub this on this for a while, because you don't want to use water. Water rusts metal. And this is a really good way to polish it. Might take a minute or two. If you're done with that, just rub it on something dry so it still doesn't rust, because this does have moisture. Voila. It is new. I'm going to show you something I discovered. Been working on this, adapting to it, like usual. Put a lot of glue for the screwdriver. Nice, like as usual. You want to do this before you will help to someone. I've discovered something. Let the glue dry for about 3 minutes. You'll see the difference. Remember how I usually did it, right? Yeah. You'll see the difference here in a minute. See, I'm still working on it. So I guess I've been waiting about 2 minutes, so and okay, now it's good, I guess. See? It's better. And then you pull it out. Oh. And then there's the hole. As usual, if you guys find a way, to make it bleed after you remove it, call me. Oh, I mean, not call me, but like email me and tell me how to do it. So, screwdriver and arm, new technique.